It's amazing how we get to enjoy this $1 million view for free at this anchorage here at Marine Stadium. We've been here a few days exploring nearby places and just relaxing. But we're ready to explore some more of Miami, and today is just perfect weather to sail. The plan is to sail to Elliot Key, located on Biscayne Bay. It's 7 miles long, making it the largest key north of Key Largo. Legends say that it was used as a refuge by pirates and later known for pineapple plantations. Not sure if we'll see either, but one thing we're sure of is we're ready to go sailing.
We arrived at Elliot Key and you can see the bottom 10 feet deep.
Since we have a 6-foot keel, we're unable to dock, but we were able to anchor just outside, where it's just as beautiful.
Let's go check it out.
The blue water here is so gorgeous. It's a little taste of what the islands in the Bahamas would be like. We enjoy the rest of the evening together, watching the sunset and deciding which key to go to next. Good morning. It's a beautiful day and time to go to Boca Chita, where we'll meet our dear friends from Novosadis. We plan to go at high tide so we could dock and have easy access to land. We're a little nervous about trying to get in, but if we time it right, we should be fine. Fingers crossed.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're going to our second key. It's called Boca Chita Key. Our friends are there, and they say there is some big sailboats there, and there's plenty of water. So we're just gonna try to approach very carefully and see if we can get in. Yeah, right now it's just like pretty chilling here. It's pretty calm. There's like 12 knots of wind. We are in a beam reach. And that tick-tock that you can hear is the water maker making water straight from the solar panels.
Since today's a sunny day, we're testing the water maker. And this is what we're bringing in right now with the water maker running.
How many gallons can we put in 6 hours?
3 gallons in an hour. So 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 gallons in 7 hours on a sunny day.
21 gallons in one day. Yay! We're texting our friends. They're already in the key to see if they want to do some snorkeling. They're super sweet family, friendly, and their channel is like hilarious. So you definitely have to check that out.
Captain Ray is doing a good job.
wind is coming this way. We're like a 30-degree angle to the wind. Doing 5 and 10 knots of wind. So 50% ratio. You can sail a really gentle breeze. I like that. And we have tried in like 20 knots of wind, downwind, and it does really good. We have tried in 25 knots of wind on a closed hole, and it's a nightmare. Just too close to the water. There's water coming into the cockpit, and it's like no good.
When we first researched the Erickson sailboats, owners said they sail like a dream, but we wondered if we would think the same. After her sailing in many different conditions, she holds true to the reputation of these boats. She does really well in light winds, and we start to get excited when we see Boca Chita sooner than we expected. Our excitement quickly changed to caution when we approached the shallow area.
So if we get stuck in there, we're screwed.
Just gotta drop the anchorage.
By 7.
So I need to be ready to toss the line.
That was a close one. We did not want to run aground right in the entrance. It was just nerve-wracking coming in, to say the least, but we made it, and the best part is being greeted with familiar faces.
The water's so clear.
Yeah.
She's gonna be a talker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yay! Yay! Okay, she's obviously thrilled. Yeah.
See? It's nice water.
Thank you.
So we did it yesterday. We walked up there and jumped in and rode the current down, and then just kept diving and diving and diving. And
You got, that's what you get the fish?
Yes.
How deep it is?
it's about 10, 12 feet.
Okay.
But Carlos likes, what he wants to do, I think, is swim across the channel to
And
the
get into the
mangroves.
mangroves,
And
yeah.
he goes in the, like underneath and just like in and out. But that's where the mangrove snapper are.
Right.
Um,
Do you guys got something already?
Kai got one yesterday.
Yeah?
He got I don't know what it was, something. But here are the bigger fish in here.
Okay.
And you just hold your breath, dive down, and there they are. And you just...
Let's get going.
And then you rub the spit, rub it in. This is crazy, dude. Love it. Never would have known to do that. You can see.
All right.
Good.
No. They gotta give it some time to dry, and then
Okay.
and then walk it off.
Oh no, I don't know anything.
You can see through it. Nope, can't see through it.
Well, it looks like they're almost there, so we're just gonna relax here. The beach. Right?
When we were about to start relaxing, something unexpected came our way.
There's a custom border patrol helicopter in 2 boats. It just darted here. It's just like we're in the water. It's like, what's going on? So we're gonna go check it out.
After the unsuccessful fishing day, Julian made dinner and we headed over to listen to good music and enjoy time together.
Be a sensible person, use your words and don't be nervous. You can do this, you've got purpose. Find your medicine and use it.
Yeah. Kudos to that. We were talking today when we were sailing, as having such a wonderful time. It was perfect sailing. I'm telling you guys, it was just perfect sailing.
Nice.
And I told her, like, right now I'm having one of those happy moments. It was nothing like really special, but for me it was everything.
Yes.
You know, and now it's like it's one of those, like right here, right now. It's one of those happy moments.
Right on, man. Likewise.
So thank you guys for inviting us. And,
Yes.
yeah, and make this possible. It's big for us.
Yeah. Oh, we had fun, man.
Alright, so we left last night. Left around 1 a.m. and since it was the high tide, we left Boca Chita at 1 a.m. Moved outside the bay and anchor, and then about around 6 in the morning, we just woke up and start making our way back to Miami. We're gonna hide for a little cold front that's coming. It's gonna blow in the high 20s, and a place is called Hurricane Harbor. So we had to be there by high tide to be able to get in because it's pretty shallow for us. But it offers good protection. So for the next 3 days, we're just gonna hide there. It's a beautiful day today. It's blowing 10 knots of wind, and we're doing 5.2. It's no waves. It's just like flat. It looks like just sailing in a giant lake. It's awesome. It just doesn't get better than this. It's just so relaxing. We're barely healing. We're like 10 degrees healing and doing now 5.5. So enjoying this sail so much right now.
We made it to Hurricane Harbor, which is a great anchorage to hide out. We end up being here a few days, being entertained by our surroundings. And where we take time to disconnect from the world and connect with each other. This sailing lifestyle has allowed us to make strong friendships. We form a bond quick and fast because we find so much in common with others. The hard part is saying goodbye, especially when you slowly watch them leave. But we're thankful for connections made and hope to meet again at another anchorage, sharing stories, laughs, and sunsets. Our sailing experience here in Miami has been really incredible. Not just because of the blue water, the great sailing days, or the city skylines, but because of the people we have been fortunate to surround ourselves with.
We hope that you enjoy it and looking forward to see you next week.
See you then.
See you then.
Make sure to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's a fast and free way to help us out.